Hi, I'm Sara, ticketing expert at Byway. In this series, we'll share all of our advice, tips and tricks on how to plan a DIY slow travel trip. If you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book every train, ferry and hotel, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. You can also find our full blog series, linked below for an even more in-depth guide. We hope you find this useful. Let's get into it. Do I need a seat reservation or a ticket? This is the question that trips up almost everyone new to train travel, mainly because the answer changes from one journey to the next. The short version. If a route sits within the Interrail or Eurail network, around 33 countries from Austria to Turkey, your pass works as your ticket and covers the base fare. Whether you also need a seat reservation depends on the train and the operator. Here's 3 scenarios for pass-eligible journeys. Firstly, some trains need a separate seat reservation, such as some high-speed trains or trains in Spain or most trains in Italy. Some have no reservable seating at all, so the pass alone gets you on board, or they can offer optional reservations. And thirdly, a small number ask for a compulsory supplement, an extra fee to use the line, though a specific seat is still optional. When you always need a reservation. Tourist services like the Bernina or Glacier Express, and usually high-speed services like TGVs and the Freccia. Most regional services don't offer reservations at all. You can check specific requirements in the Rail Planner app. Should you get a pass or a point-to-point ticket? Sometimes the journey is covered by the pass, but a point-to-point fare is cheaper, especially on short regional legs. France and Sicily are good examples. If a point-to-point ticket is heading towards £50 or more per person, a pass day is usually better value. This is one part of a 10-part video series on how to DIY slow travel. If you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book every train, ferry and hotel, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. Thanks for watching and happy planning.